All right, we are starting Moss Ledge Waterfall. Never been here. Here we go. I am recording. Oh, it's starting off steep.
I think it's gonna be like this the whole time.
No way. It's the mountains, Roxy. It's never steep. Someone's got a nice little camp and all their Audubon books. Ugh. Ugh. Sorry. It's kind of cool to come up, to go on hikes like on the peaks where you see the snowdrifts that are on top that are actually creating the water of the seemingly never-ending streams.
And now you see
Yeah, there's a couple wild humans. I want my hands for this, so I'm going to put my drink down there. They had all their Audubon books. I recognize those.
yeah.
This will be fun to come down. I wonder if we go up the river is easier. Yeah, I was just wondering if the river was a touch funner. Or, I mean, this is cool, but it's definitely a scramble. Nature calls. Alrighty. Cool. Thanks, Amy. We are going right up the waterfall, aren't we? I want to go up this more than that.
Okay.
Because this looks funner. Stinging nettle right there. So that's the stinging nettle. So don't touch that.
I will avoid.
This might be harder than this other side, I don't know. Good job. Boy, this is an adventure already.
Sure is. More than I thought it would be, honestly.
I know, I thought it'd be easy like Hidden Falls. It's gonna be slow going coming down.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little scary.
All right, I'm not liking this.
No?
This section,
Going?
it's kind of freaking me out.
I feel like maybe go to the waterfall.
Yeah, let's go back down from here. I'm gonna let you kind of get some distance between me and you.
I didn't go very far.
Yeah.
I did already.
Yeah, this one has got a lot of steep, just plain rock.
This is obviously where that rock slide happened.
I guess so.
All trails come to get the memo, but
All right, we're gonna go back to the waterfall. Look at that shine. The quartzite. Yeah, maybe this is nasty too. If it's too gnarly, we're not doing it. I don't want to have any sliding down a waterfall.
no. It looks like it's literally just work your way up the waterfall.
Well, over there could be interesting. It's just super slick. Wow. What a great little alcove. Ugh. See a lizard? He's right under there. Up here it looks like a bigger open area with a pine tree. I think we'll go to that and see how it looks.
Sure. Looks alright for now.
Yeah, this isn't too bad. I mean, it's not easy, but it's not scary. I'm just making sure I'm not putting my path right onto a snake. 'Cause this is really, really good snake country. Ugh. So I think I want to go that way. Wow. Wow, this is really rough.
Sure is.
I can see a path that's over here. We'll give it another, oh, there's a snake. 1, 2. Garter snake. Foot and a half. He did, he hid really fast. Yeah, I mean, this is classic snake. With all this water,
Yeah.
they can maintain perfect temperatures. How's this look on the map? I'm gonna look.
The map is utterly unhelpful.
Really?
It shows like a straight line going up this canyon. It's like, okay.
So the snake went right over by that log.
Okay.
He was about that long and little. No, he went into that brush.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see
So-
his tail. He's coming back around. Under the big tree? I just
Oh
saw
yeah,
him.
there he is. I can see his tail too. Oh, that's his head looking out.
Oh, well, he's looking at us again.
Yeah, he's just, oh, see, he's moving. He's right there.
Oh, bye-bye, buddy.
See, he's just cruising around now.
Oh, looks just like
Look at that camouflage.
Zoe. Yeah, it works well.
Now he's going across the
Oh, he's
path.
doing a little.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, about 1.5 feet.
Not a big old fatty.
So look at this map real quick. So according to the map, we're like halfway up.
I know, which I'm like, wow, okay. This is a brutal trail.
You not likey?
It's alright. I'm just thinking this trail is so,
Rough?
yeah, it's beaten up. Lost track of your snaky friend, huh?
Yeah, I stopped watching him. It's alright.
The camera works.
What?
The camera works too well.
So it's, man, this is so rough. I don't even think I want to go anymore.
Alright.
Just because it's like I'm not even walking on any kind of.
Towards the tree. There's Lizzie.
Oh, there's a lizard right there on the tree. Yeah, we're kind of in.
Unfortunately, I think this is going to be a trail we have to rate a little lower because it is.
Yeah, it's super rough. It looks like the total train wreck has come through this thing.
Yeah, this thing got demolished by a sled.
Coming through, snakies. Sneaky snakies. Yeah, he had an agenda. He was like, I gotta go over there, bro. I got stuff to do. We're at Moss Ledge. We went halfway up, but it's just so rough. I don't want to go anymore. Ugh.
I would say
There's another lizard. Let the what?
what animals have this one back?
Yeah, it's so wild here. And if you could design a terrarium to be like this, your little animals would love it.
Oh
Because this thing is just, it's got all the stuff you need. It's got rocks and cover and plants and water and just a million places to hide. Which is a little unnerving when you're walking around through it. So we saw 2 snakes today, didn't we? 2 wandering garters. Last year we saw hardly any snakes, and this year we've seen a bunch.
literally only saw the rubber boa.
Is that really all we saw was the one?
I think that's it. I don't think
I think we went up and then back down here.
yeah.
Well, I'm just gonna go straight down. Yeah. It's a butt sit down. Walking right through the waterfall. I gotta take a look over here.
Oh yeah.
So it's easier to go the waterfall way, for sure.
You think so? You don't want to slide down this little guy?
Not today. My butt will hurt. That moss is so slick. Look how pretty this is that we're walking up. Walking down, I guess. Yeah, it is. You can't even really step on it. That was treacherous. Yeah. Good. Now what is, we go to the store and eat food and call it a day.
Sounds good.
I've been hot, I've been cold, I've been hot, I've been cold, I've been hot, I've been cold.
Your feet have been wet the whole time.
I've had wet feet for 3 hours now. It is very close to the road, I gotta give it that. Oh, look how nice that toilet paper is. Whoa. You're always making fun of us for being prepared, but it's about getting strong, Roxy.
It is, and if we didn't bring enough water, we would be
Watch out for this big truck so he doesn't kill you. Yeah. We got it. I know. I'd be worried about the brakes the entire way.
After we saw the Lisa Falls crash.
Yeah. All right, everybody, that's our adventures for the day. We did Stair Gulch, which was amazing. A lot of fun and adventure and rough. We did Hidden Falls, which was, actually we did Mill B South Fork, finished that. Just a little touch of that. Then we did Hidden Falls, which was amazing and easy. And then we did about half of Moss Ledge Falls, which was very difficult due to the rock slide.